What's up guys, Fire Llama here, back with another video. Today I got my hands on the James Harden BE3 shoes, right here. And this is basically, we're going to be unboxing this and reviewing it, as in reviewing the traction, the support, the materials, and the cushioning. So let's get into unboxing this thing. So let's get into unboxing these James Harden BE3s. So first up, let's get into the materials of the James Harden BE3s. So first, let's start off with the front. This part, as you could see, has some soft mesh material, and then it shifts to like a harder fabric here. Like it's the strap basically. It's like a strap kind of thing here. So it's like elastic a little. And then the back is basically like, it's more like a net material. I think it's covered with the same material like this, but it's covered with a black net. And then we've got a whole Velcro material area here with the strap that it comes with. So that is the materials aspect of the shoes. And I would say these materials are great materials that would last you a long time. So now we're moving on to fit. And as you can see, I got it on my foot, but if the fit's perfect after you get on, but it's a bit hard to get into because the strap here doesn't let the tongue extend, and it's a bit of a high top shoe. So getting into it is a bit hard, but after you get into it, it fits like a very good shoe. And another feature of the shoe, after you tie it, it has a sick like Velcro feature that like ties the lace all together and give the shoe a clean look, just like that. And that is the fit. On to the traction of this shoe. This shoe has some really good traction with the great pattern on the bottom to give you lots of grip, and can keep you not tripping while doing good handles on the court. Next up, onto the cushioning of this shoe. This shoe doesn't have an airbag of any sort, and therefore the cushioning is not great, but it does the job and keeps you comfortable. Moving on to the pricing of this shoe and value. The value of the shoe is quite great because if you're watching this at the time of upload, this shoe was on an amazing sale for only $50. And considering that this is a basketball shoe and especially a Harden shoe, $50 is a steal because most basketball shoes with a player like name in it usually are $100 or above, but you're getting a great deal out of this and with great performance